Um, Good day, sir. Our topic or platform that we use the LinkedIn, some issues of LinkedIn, um, and then we have a four problem or topic that we discuss. The first one, MJ will discuss it.
Okay. So guys, I'm Yutok Mark Joseph G. And our topics are LinkedIn. First, the issues or concern on privacy on the platform. And the browser gate and allied surveillance, AI training on personal data, data scraping and shadow profiles, and third-party data sharing, and lastly, the vulnerability to target phishing. LinkedIn offers powerful professional networking, but it also raises serious privacy concerns. Issues such as alleged browser surveillance, AI training on personal data, and widespread data scraping make users vulnerable to unauthorized data use. Default visibility settings can unintentionally expose career moves, while third-party data sharing adds another layer of risk. Additionally, the platform's detailed profiles make sure prime target for targeted phishing attacks. Overall, this concern highlight the need for stronger privacy controls and user awareness. Next, and next is the sample of inappropriate content using the platform. First, the unprofessional posts. Second, harassment of bullying. And third, spam and misleading content. And fourth, overly personal or sensitive content. And lastly, political or religious extremism. And the inappropriate content on LinkedIn includes posts or actions that go against its professional purpose. This can involve language, harassment, and spam, or sharing misleading information, such as fake job offers, overly personal or explicit content, as well as jigging confidential company details are also considered inappropriate. Additionally, aggressive political or religious posts can create conflict and damage a professional environment. Overall, such behavior can harm reputations and reduce trust on the platform. The next is Kristen to discuss the next presentation. And thank you.
So for the third one, possible challenges on security on using the platform or security on using the LinkedIn. First one is the spear phishing attacks, account hacking, data scrapping, fake profiles and scams, third-party app risk, information oversharing. So, uh, th- those those issue or challenges may maybe what this pwede maranasan or maybe can be experienced on LinkedIn. This is the possible to be possible so dito, possible na mangyari sa paggamit ng LinkedIn. Using LinkedIn comes with several security challenges due to the amount of personal and professional data shared. Attackers often exploit detailed profiles to launch spear phishing, impersonating recruiters or colleges, trick user into revealing sensitive information. Another challenge is account hacking, where weak password or lack of two-factor authentication can allow unauthorized access. So, account hacking, maybe the password is weak. So the suggestion is use a two multi two multiple authentication or two-factor authentication and fake profiles and scams. Make sure the account make it a private to avoid the scam or to avoid the poser and information sharing. Avoid oversharing information about yourself to to avoid the poser. So next, what are the possible or suggested solution to remedy the issues and to provide solution to the challenges using LinkedIn? So this is are the suggested. First one is enable strong account security or use two FA or two-factor authentication. Be cautious with messages and connections. So make sure the make sure if you have a what do you call this one pagka may kausap na iba maging cautious or maging alisto kung kanino nakipag-connect. Then adjust privacy settings, make it privacy. It depends what you are posting and control data sharing. The sample here is um, um, yung mga sinishare or mga data na sinishare is dapat controlled. So, to avoid, to, dito, para ma-avoid yung pagkalat ng iyong data. And then, lastly, avoid oversharing information. Yun. It's same about on control data sharing and avoid oversharing information. Kumbaga, iwasan ang pag-share ng mga information or sobra-sobra information na pinapost or sinishare sa platforms. And then to address security and privacy challenges on LinkedIn, users should enable strong protections such as unique password and two-factor authentication. It is also important to verify connections and avoid clicking suspicious links to prevent phishing attacks. Adjusting privacy settings and limiting data sharing can help control how much personal information is exposed. Users should avoid oversharing sensitive details and regularly review connected or third-party apps by staying informed and reporting suspicious activity. User can maintain a safer and more secure experience. So, short, your account has a maintain every month or two times a month or every week, much better to avoid a hacking to your account. So that's all for this a video presentation, sir. Thank you so much. Good day.